Are you always looking for good options for lunches to incorporate into your week? Well, I love making lunch and figured I would show you my favorite gluten-free lunch lately. So let's go make some lunch. Let's make lunch together. Today, I'm gonna show you my favorite lunch that I've been making almost every single day. Here's what you're gonna need. Some kind of bagel, avocado, a red pepper, cucumber, everything but the bagel seasoning, and some chili flake oil from Trader Joe's. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is toast the bagel. I love these Odo's bagel thins. I literally only have one left in the pack because they are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, kosher certified. They're literally everything. They have very little ingredients, very natural ingredients, and they taste so freaking good. Also, they happen to be 100 calories, and I wanted to include that last because I am not a calorie counter, but I do know that a lot of people track macros and calories and all of those things. So that's just another benefit of this bagel is they're very low in calories. So while the bagel is toasting, I am going to get my avocado ready. I had a half of an avocado left from earlier, and I'm gonna chop up this Persian cucumber. The bagel's toasted. So now I'm gonna take my avocado and spread it all over the bagel. Worthwhile to note, this is a very messy process. Let's keep going. Okay, so we've got avocado on the bagel, and the next step is to dress the bagel. So each side of this bagel is gonna get something special. One side is gonna get everything but the bagel, and the other is gonna get the crunchy chili onion oil. Trader Joe's, I'd love you to sponsor me because these are both Trader Joe's items, and if you only get 2 things from Trader Joe's, let them be these items because oh my God. So I'm gonna put those on each side of the bagel and then put cucumber and red pepper on top. So pro tip for using this crunchy chili oil, highly recommend using a fork as the vehicle. I know that that might seem like it defeats the purpose because it's in oil, but you really wanna get the crunch and then just let like the residual oil drizzle all over the bagel. So now that we have our bagel sandwich made, literally just flip the one side that only has the everything but the bagel seasoning. Just flip this side onto the side that has everything. And then you kind of like, you gotta grab it you gotta really have a good grip on it because this is a messy sandwich. Should I be wearing a white t-shirt? Probably not, but we're here and this is what we're doing. So let's take the first bite together. Are you ready? Thumbnail. Oh my God. Be prepared for all the avocado to like fall out of it. right here has become one of my favorite go-to lunches. It is simple, it is easy to make, takes less than 5 minutes. It's healthy and it's a great way to fuel your body with carbs, fats, some good nutrients in that red pepper. Cucumbers add a great crunch, as does the chili oil, and a great little like kick to it. It's so easy to make and so tasty. So if you work from home like me, this is a great lunch to make. And if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and hit the bell to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, because I'm gonna be sharing ideas like this. And if you guys also have celiac, please let me know in the comments if you want me to share more ideas for specific recipes and things like that that you can eat on a gluten-free diet. Let me know. And I'm gonna go enjoy this bagel in peace. So I'll see you guys next Wednesday with a new video. Bye.